Hey folks, Sam with Mechanic here. We've got our 2016 Jeep Renegade, and I'm going to show you how to check the engine coolant. So, let's get started. All right folks, here we are. We're crouched down beside the driver's side under the hood of our 2016 Jeep Renegade. And I'm going to show you how we in the shop generally check coolant. Now, if you look here on your coolant reservoir, you'll see this line, and just above it, it says max. At cold temperatures, this should be where the maximum level of the coolant is. Pretty simple to understand. Now, these reservoirs can get really dingy over the years. And I'm going to show you how you can check these opaque reservoirs by using your phone. So we're going to go ahead and turn the flashlight on our phone. So now that you're crouched down beside this coolant reservoir and you can see the level where you want it to be, you just take your flashlight of any sort and just stick it to the opposite side of the reservoir, and you can see, bam, it is very clear to see the level of that coolant. Now our coolant is at the proper level, so we're not going to add any today. Now, if we do need to add some, we do need to remove that cap. But a couple of warnings with this cap, and don't worry, because Fiat Chrysler went ahead and put those warnings on the top too. The system is under pressure when it is warm, and this vehicle is a little bit warmed up. So with it being warm, if you're going to open the system, you want to very slowly and gently let it depressurize. So the way to safely do this without burning yourself or hurting yourself in a pressurized reservoir is get you a good shop towel. No, a paper towel won't do. Some sort of dish rag or shop towel. Put a little meat between you and the hurt. And I even like to take these and fold them over in half and lay that directly on top of the lid that you would like to open. I am going to begin to slowly turn this until I hear just the ever so slightest bit of hiss from steam coming out. Let's see if we can hear. There's that hiss. Now, we want to leave it just like that until it is completely done hissing, and then we'll go ahead and remove the rest of the cover. Now this rag is not meant to protect you from the heat like an oven mitt would pulling a hot pan out. What it does is it just buys you a couple of seconds of contact with coolant that is very, very hot for you to get your hand away so that you don't get any bad blisters or burn. It's all done hissing. We'll give it another slow turn. Maybe it has a little more. Nope, it doesn't. It's all done. We're just going to go ahead and come the rest of the way off with it. And we'll set that to the side. We would just add our coolant here until we saw it at the level we wanted, and then place our cap back on. Now, tightening this cap doesn't need to be overly tight. Go until it no longer freely turns. You should feel just one little click at the end. It's plenty tight. And that's how you check and add the coolant on your 2016 Jeep Renegade.